Hey there and welcome to Eyes Power, your sanctuary for peace, relaxation, and healing. Whether you're here to calm your mind, sleep better, learn relaxation techniques, or simply take a deep breath away from daily stress, you're in the right place. If you enjoy this peaceful journey, don't forget to like the video, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to join our growing community of serenity seekers. Let's dive in and let your mind unwind. Are you tired of feeling tired? You go to bed at a decent hour, but wake up groggy, unfocused, or worse, feeling like you never slept at all. If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. According to the World Health Organization, sleep disorders affect nearly a third of the world's population, and that number is growing. But here's the good news: improving your sleep quality doesn't require sleeping pills, expensive equipment, or miracle cures. It requires understanding how your body prepares for sleep and creating the right conditions for that process to unfold. In this video, we'll walk you through a step-by-step guide, grounded in both neuroscience and practical wisdom, to help you sleep better, naturally. Let's start with your bedroom environment. Your brain is constantly scanning for cues, light, temperature, sound, to determine whether it's time to rest or stay alert. Step 1. Cool it down. Studies show that the ideal room temperature for sleep is between 18 degrees Celsius and 20 degrees Celsius. Why? Because your core body temperature drops slightly before sleep. A cooler room helps that transition happen more easily. Step 2. Control light exposure. Light is the most powerful signal for your circadian rhythm. Even a small source of light, like the LED from your phone charger, can suppress melatonin, the hormone that makes you feel sleepy. Consider using blackout curtains or an eye mask. And keep electronics with glowing screens outside the bedroom if you can. Step 3. Silence or sound. Some people sleep best in total silence. Others prefer soft ambient noise, nature sounds, or white noise. Experiment to see what soothes you most. Sound can mask distractions and help your mind enter a calm rhythm. Now let's move to your body and how you prepare it for rest. A lot of people underestimate the power of a consistent evening routine. Think of it like landing an airplane. You can't go from 300 miles per hour to a complete stop in 2 seconds. Likewise, you can't go from a busy, stimulated brain straight into deep sleep. 1 hour before bed, start your wind-down process. Ditch the screens. Blue light interferes with melatonin and tricks your brain into thinking it's daytime. Instead, read a book. Listen to soft music. Light a candle. Take a warm shower or bath. These rituals might seem simple, but they send a powerful signal to your nervous system. It's time to relax. Let's talk about stress, the invisible enemy of good sleep. When you're stressed, your body releases cortisol, the wake-up hormone. If cortisol is still high at night, it keeps your mind alert, even if you're exhausted. That's where mindfulness and breathwork come in. A few minutes of deep breathing, especially with techniques like box breathing or 4-7-8 breathing, can activate your parasympathetic nervous system, your natural rest mode. Let's try it now. Inhale for 4 seconds. Hold for 7 seconds. Exhale slowly for 8 seconds. Repeat this 3 or 4 times before bed. Feel your heart rate slow down. Feel your muscles loosen. You're now guiding your body into sleep on purpose. What you eat and drink also matters more than you think. Avoid caffeine at least 6 hours before bedtime. Remember, caffeine hides in more than coffee. It's in tea, chocolate, and even some medications. Limit alcohol, too. While it might make you feel sleepy initially, it disrupts REM sleep, which is essential for mental restoration. Try to stop eating 2 to 3 hours before bed. A full stomach makes your body focus on digestion instead of restoration. If you need a snack, go for light and sleep-friendly options: a banana, a spoon of peanut butter, a handful of almonds, or chamomile tea. Now let's talk about sound frequencies and music. Healing frequencies like 432 Hz and 528 Hz have been shown to lower stress, synchronize brain waves, and promote deep relaxation. You can play soft ambient music while reading or meditating before bed, or even keep it playing at low volume through the night. Your brain responds to rhythm. Give it something soothing to sync with. Let's not forget your sleep schedule itself. Your body loves routine. Going to bed and waking up at the same time every day, even on weekends, helps regulate your internal clock. If you vary your schedule too much, your circadian rhythm gets confused. That's when you feel jet-lagged even without travel. Just by keeping consistent hours, your brain starts preparing for sleep automatically at the right time. And remember, sleep isn't just for energy. It helps regulate your mood, consolidates memories, repairs tissues, and boosts your immune system. It's your nightly reset button. So treat it like something sacred. Create space for it. Respect the process. And now, a quick bonus tip: try keeping a gratitude journal beside your bed. Each night, write down 3 things you're thankful for. This simple act reduces stress, shifts your focus away from worries, and brings peace into your emotional space. Science shows that gratitude before bed improves sleep quality and increases feelings of restfulness in the morning. So let's recap the key tips: cool, dark, and quiet sleep environment. No screens 1 hour before bed. Use breathwork to calm the mind. Eat and drink smart in the evening. Listen to calming music or frequencies. Keep a consistent sleep schedule. Journal or practice gratitude before sleep. And above all, be gentle with yourself. If your sleep isn't perfect tonight, that's okay. What matters is the pattern you create over time. You are learning to rest. You are learning to heal. And I's power is here with you, every step of the way. Sleep peacefully tonight. You deserve it. Thank you for being here and sharing this moment of peace with us. If this video helped you relax or learn something new, please support us by liking, commenting, and subscribing. It really helps us keep creating this calm space for you. Until next time, stay peaceful, stay mindful, and remember, your well-being matters.